Look at this food. Look at that. Look at this taco, guys. Oh my goodness.
What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel.
My name is Omar and this is Omar Over Fire.
Today we're just doing some cooking, nothing special. We're just gonna do some cooking, guys.
This is what is called alambres, and most people will call it alambres. Most people will call it a fajita. That's what we're gonna be doing.
For this right here, we're gonna be using this type of meat right here. We got a skirt. We're gonna be chopping off some onions and we're gonna put them under this.
I got the fire going and it's looking pretty good. Let's set up this thing and get it going. Perfect. Let's start chopping some of this stuff. Just in case you haven't noticed, I love making these videos. I really love making food.
We want to put all of our onions in there. Now that's the one thing I like to do. I like to start with the onions a little bit. Just like that. It gives it a really, really good flavor. And then we have our skirt. Now this right here, I'm gonna cut it in half. Just like that. Just like that. Now, if you notice, the grains are going like this. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cut against the grain, and that's gonna make our meat not to be chewy. And now we're gonna cut slices. It's a lot better when you got a nice sharp knife. All right, we're gonna put our meat in there. Oh yeah. I just cleaned this up. We're going to cut this peppers. What we're going to do, we're going to cut them long ways. We're going to cut them like this. Oh, that smells perfect. Let's cut some of this. Red one. Everything's working really, really good. We got some Modelo today. Cheers.
Ah, really, really good.
I'm gonna use some of my peppers and put them right here on the coals, right there. We're gonna take a half of onion and we're gonna put it in there too. 4 tomatoes, they're going in there too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
One of the future projects I got in line, it's a we're gonna be building like a cooler. That's what I like to do. I want to build a cooler. It's gonna sit right there, built out of the same material that we built this table. We want to make a cooler and set it right there. We kind of need something like that. So instead of having a fridge or something like that, we're gonna have a cooler. but I want to make it out of wood and then set the cooler inside. I don't know if you've seen those type of projects, and they look really nice and sturdy. They last a long time. I kind of like them, so I want to see if I can build something like that. Technically, there are several things that I like to do. I want to put a roof on this thing. That way, when it rains or something, but like right now it's really nice because we got all this vegetation and it's covering it up really well, okay? If light rain or something, it doesn't even touch this thing. And even though I covered it up with a nice tarp, you know, so it don't get wet or anything like that. But most of the time, I just leave it open, you know. So I kind of like to have a roof in here, something that I can keep this. So we got those two different projects. We got the roof and we got a cooler. I want to build the cooler first, and the reason why is because we always need something here that we can keep the cheese, we can keep the cremas and all that kind of stuff that is gonna go bad because it's fixing to get really hot. Supposedly we're getting close to have triple digits here pretty soon. So, oh my God! I'm gonna put some salt. Ooh-wee. Put some of this here. We're looking really good. We are about ready, but we need our final touch. Right here. This is gonna turn out really good. The smell of it is really good. You know, one of the things that I haven't asked you guys, when you guys post in the comment section, post your comments and tell me where you're from. I like to know the state you're living in, and shout out to your state. I live in Kansas City. Go Chiefs! I think this is ready. Oh my. This thing is looking really good, guys. Oh wow. Look at that. We're gonna make our molcajete. I am really hungry. Nice tortilla. And let's grab some of this stuff. Oh wow, this tortilla is really hot. Look at this, guys. Look at this food. Look at that. This is like, the smell of it is really good, guys. Oh my God. Oh, I'm gonna put some of that. I'm gonna put some of this nice roasted salsa that we made. Look at this taco, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This is really good. It's got a really great taste. That smoky flavor from the sauce is just to another level. This is really good. The best of everything is that this is something really easy, something that you can try. You have to try. It's really good, and I guarantee you, you're gonna love it. It's really good. That and that, it goes together very well. This is all I got for you today. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.